Sorry, a bit quiet, I can't hear you. Sorry, we were trying to get one theatre, Leicester. Are you ready? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It's time for your main event of the evening! The following contest is for the Arthouse Wrestling Championship!
tension with a knife. Bullit, Mike Bird, free for the Resurgence Arthouse Championship. This is what pro wrestling is about. This is what the sport of wrestling is about. 2 wrestlers, 1 championship. No time limit. Set this one up for us, Claire.
Yeah, so this has had a long history. A couple of absolutely amazing matches between these 2 totally amazing professional wrestlers. Massive respect for them both in the Arthouse tonight. It's going to be an absolute belter, this one. It's going to have 2 people who really, really want to win this Arthouse Championship. This championship's meant a lot to Bullit for various reasons. And it means a lot to Mike Bird as well, and you can tell as they dive in. Wow.
Sorry to cut you off, Claire.
No, not at all. It's
Listen to
insane.
that pop for the collar and elbow tie-up. You don't hear that very often.
Wow.
And the straps are down and the chops are out in the Y-Theatre.
Exchanging huge chops here. Oh my God.
How else would you start a three-peat of this match?
Absolutely. Welts appearing on the chests of both men already. And this is literally the first minute of the match. Snake eyes.
Drop kick from Bird. Clothesline from Bird. Oh my God.
And what's Bird thinking here? Two-piece Celestina!
Oh my goodness.
Mike Bird, the seasoned veteran, popping out a tope suicide.
Wow.
Like a 20-year-old indie kid.
Goodness, I cannot believe the pace of this match at the start. Unbelievable.
Let's not forget, this is no time limit, Claire.
They've just come out just firing on all cylinders, already throwing everything at this, their bodies, everything. I cannot believe the pace, the starting pace of this match.
Strength of Bullit, and what the hell is Mike Bird thinking here?
Pile
Sit
driver!
down, Bird! What the hell? How did he get him up?
That might be it. No.
Oh, just.
Bird kicks out.
Wow. And I don't think this crowd know which way to cheer or boo or anything tonight. So call me Chris Tarrant, it's 50-50.
Yeah, there's absolutely no booing.
I'm not calling you Chris Tarrant.
There's no booing going on here. This is just cheering all round.
Bullit, the most dominant champion in Resurgence history. No one has defended a championship as many times as Bullit. A literally defining reign for the Arthouse Championship and its history. Dedicated to the memory of the late Mad Kurt. And he has done Kurt's memory absolute justice with the defenses and the showcases that he's put on.
Yeah, this championship, just because it was held by Mad Kurt, it's just such a special championship for every wrestler that goes up and tries to fight for it. So yeah, tonight there's a lot riding on this tonight. A lot of emotion. I can already tell that.
The leg strength.
I think in a rivalry as storied as this, there's a danger of calling the history and the story, and it's good to remember that there's a pro wrestling match going on right now, and Mike Bird had a vicious sharpshooter locked in very early in this match.
You think Bullit, the power and the strength of those legs, that guy's almost leg pressing a metric ton. He's a huge guy with such strength and agility for him. Brainbuster, my God. Mike Bird quickly in the cover here, 2 counts.
Pull it out.
Oh my goodness, the strength of Mike Bird as well. We have seen Mike Bird fight in some matches in the Resurgence ring over the years. He's been a real crowd favourite for so many years here, like always proving himself to be such an amazing battler. Always battles till the end of every match. It's going to be a very difficult one to call tonight, guys.
There's no one in this country that embodies the spirit of British professional wrestling, the sport of wrestling, like Mike Bird.
And he is a true veteran of the game. He has forgotten more holds than most wrestlers know in their entire lives. Mike Bird, he teaches it, he lives it, he breathes it, everything. His life is devoted to professional wrestling.
Shot. That won't be the last time we say that word in this match. Bird with control of the waist of Bullit. That huge torso. German suplex, and he maintains waist control.
Somehow he's still got that grip, the ice-like grip.
How has he maintained that grip on Bullit? That's unbelievable.
Second German, looking for a trifecta.
Bullit weighs well in excess of 100 kilograms. For Bird to German suplex him once, let alone 3 times, which he's clearly going through.
Look at the grip of Mike Bird, it's incredible.
Bullit breaks that grip.
But he has to do everything in his power to get a big German suplex of his own. Absolutely awesome power by Bullit.
Did you see the height on that?
The hang time, Claire, you hit the nail on the head. Bird almost felt like he paused in mid-air.
Amazing.
I'm sure he felt like a literal bird for a minute there.
I think this is one of the things we've always thought about Bullit, for like a big guy, and he is a big guy, let me assure you. His agility and his ability to just take long matches, amazing stamina, like he's really an incredible fighter.
Just drilling, just almost spearing Bird into the turnbuckle.
And that's, Claire, what makes him so unbelievably dangerous.
Might be going for choke slam.
Yeah. Not there, not from the apron, surely. Oh, he does as well!
Onto the side of the ring on that steel girder that runs the parameter of the wrestling ring.
The hardest part of the ring, as we well know.
The spine of Mike Bird sent crashing into it. I mean, I think going back to what you were saying, Claire, Bullit, it's that speed over a very short distance. He is so explosive over a short distance.
For a powerbomb here. Oh, on the apron. My God. How the hell is he going to get up from that, Sam? I don't know if he is.
I mean, the first one went parallel with Bird's spine. That's going to send shockwaves all down your vertebrae. That second one, though, that was horizontal, side on. That's going to just split your back in half.
Center. Over the top rope.
So it's stuff like that from Bullit that you cannot imagine that such a large man does.
Look at the left leg of Mike Bird.
And so well as well, so crisp.
Unbelievable.
I don't know how Mike Bird got out of that, because quite literally his back must be in severe pain, and the muscles, everything must be just tightening up in the back. Unreal that he can even get out of that. Show the strength there. That is that spirit of Mike Bird.
I mean, we've already got fans here at the Y Theatre on their feet for this one. Bullit signalling for the chokeslam, the one-man armory, the Arthouse champion, with his hand around the throat of Mike Bird, the challenger.
Not this time.
Fireman's carry.
No.
Again, face first into the turnbuckle.
Snake eyes. Huge
Bullit.
clothesline.
I mean, I'm not even sure there was a clothesline there. Almost came from on top of Bird. Scoop and a slam.
And I tell you what, if you were here with us right now, you'd have felt like an earthquake go off when that power slam. It was incredible velocity in that. Big atomic leg drop.
What are you thinking, Claire, at this point?
I'm thinking it's very difficult.
Over.
I know, I'm thinking it could be over, but then I think it's very difficult to call. I mean, here are two guys who want this championship so much that they're putting their bodies on the line here. Like, I think it's really hard to call. I mean, right now, Bullit looks on top, right? That's how I'm feeling. Mike Bird has taken a lot of punishment, all that stuff on this edge of the ring there, really, really painful on the body. Bullit is looking the fresher man, in my opinion, at the moment.
Yeah, Mike Bird is going to feel that for the next year on the side of the ring.
I think if I was calling this in a 20-minute time limit, I'd give the advantage to Bullit, and we saw that. But in the previous contests, certainly the first contest where Bullit won, in the second one, I think Bird knew that his way to win was to take Bullit close to that 20-minute limit, and that's what he did, and he survived. He escaped defeat on that occasion. Now, we've no time limit. Bird has got to be looking to stay in it and push it into the latter stages. Push it maybe as long as he can, Claire, maybe an hour.
Well, that's right. I think that's exactly what he needs to do. He needs to just hold in there for a bit. But that is considerably easier said than done.
I don't know how he's powering
legs.
through this.
Wow.
Slingshot!
To the top turnbuckle goes Bullit's head. Somehow Mike Bird is up after crumbling. He looked like he was done.
Yeah, but we know that Mike Bird is never done. That is the one thing he's proven time and time again in a Resurgence ring. He's never done.
I think the only question mark against Bird is can he get it done?
Catches him
He's
in
had
there.
so many incredible victories in Resurgence, but when it's come to that last step,
Big
that
powerbomb.
championship, it's just eluded him. Kicks out barely.
Charles making sure there that the hand was not underneath the rope. Really good officiating by Charles there.
Yeah, and you're right there, Sam. Like, Mike Bird, we respect him enormously. Everyone I know respects him enormously. But he hasn't yet been able to really get that big victory, right? Like that big victory that leads to a championship. Right now,
Close. He came close with Darius. He came so close to beating Darius. He came so close both times with Bullit.
Here we go. He's looking for a sit-down powerbomb.
Oh my God!
Connects entirely. 2 and 3. No!
Bullit nearly drove Bird through the ring with that powerbomb.
I thought that was it for sure, Claire.
yeah, I did as well, Joe. But as we say, Mike will continue to fight. Bullit will continue to throw everything at him. Can Mike hold in there? That is the question of the night.
Well, Mike's holding in there right now, and Bullit held in there in the last match when Mike Bird had that ankle lock in for over 2 minutes.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. Yeah, I mean, there you go. Just even saying that, Joe, the tenacity of these two, both of them never say die competitors.
Someone asked me earlier, what has Bird got to do to beat Bullit? And frankly, all I said was kill him.
Oh, yeah.
I think you're right. I think you're right, Sam.
You think about it, Bullit last time out faced Spike Trevay, where Spike was able to really wrench that hand, take away that choke slam, and still Bullit survived that match.
Yeah.
Bird could not pick up the victory then.
Bird shoots from the ropes. Big lariat from Bird. And Bullit is staying down.
Desperate pin combination.
Just.
There's nothing he could get. He could not get any power in that pin to keep those shoulders down to the ground.
Yeah, you're right, Claire. Joe, Claire. There was no hook of the leg. Just got enough of his body over him to initiate the pinfall.
It was better than nothing, but not quite.
Bullit drawing on the Arthouse, drawing on the Wrestling Resurgence audience's energy as he tries to make his way to his feet.
Yeah, and the interesting thing about this match is that both these competitors are really well loved by this crowd as well. So they're just moving between who they're cheering for. Like, real respect here for both of them.
And they've been an incredible crowd all night. This has been such a brilliant crowd. They've kept the energy level up for every single competitor in the ring tonight. And now these two are just absolute barnstormer in the middle of this ring tonight.
Pistols at dawn, two gunslingers, two veterans of this business, standing face to face in an old-fashioned chop-off.
Both of them here proving their strength.
These chops going to be heard around the East Midlands.
Fighting spirit of Mike Bird and Bullit. Arthouse Championship on the line.
It's a chop to the chest, it's a chop to the damn lungs.
Chop to the heart, chop to the soul, Joe.
Bullit, he's grabbing on the ropes like, oh, just trying to take all of that power.
Spits the hand and drives it into the heart of Bird. Ducks the clothesline. Bird, how is he getting this with speed?
Spine buster!
Spine exploder, more like Joe.
Again, Mike Bird, he gets out of it with all of that weight, 300 pounds of Bullit on top of him, and still manages to kick out. But now, Bullit signalling the end of this one. A chokeslam is on its way.
And once again, Bullit looks the fresher man here, I think.
Yeah, if you're scoring this, if this was boxing and it was being scored on points, you'd probably...
What's
he done that?
What?
Incredible strength from Mike Bird.
I cannot believe where that's come from.
Mike Bird, here he comes. So smart by Bullit.
Bullit rolls out.
Oh, he's not making that.
Come on now. Diving headbutt! Unbelievable! He just went 20 feet. Oh!
Like a bald eagle, Bird flies through the air, driving the head into the heart of the champion.
I genuinely cannot believe how far he went. That was insane.
16 feet, I'd say. Give or take.
Oh.
I think Bird might be going back again.
And then suddenly, after all I said about Bullit being the fresher man, suddenly it's a little change here. Suddenly Mike Bird just feels a little bit fresher. Bullit is prone and down in the middle of the ring. It's whether Mike Bird can capitalise. Can he do this?
You're maybe stretching the meaning of the word fresh, Claire, but
I'm not
take
sure.
your point. Both men have expended so much.
I'm going to just switch up towards you, Sam, here, because this is getting a little bit dicey.
Joe is sat on my lap. He does not want to get a bit of flying Mike Bird.
How no?
This is a stage that Bullit is lying on.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Move! Oh my God! A huge flying elbow onto the stage of the Y Theatre. Drama at its highest.
I think it was the headbutt, Joe, but it was certainly the headbutt plus a lot more.
Bullit looks completely out of it.
Oh my goodness, I don't think I have any more words. Two very large men lying prone in front of us.
What on earth do these two men need to do to beat one another?
I think, as you said earlier, one of them is not going to be able to move at the end of this.
Bird is just about making himself... I mean, Bullit's eyes are glazed. He is right by our commentary position. His eyes look glazed over.
Bullit can't stand up. He's not there at all.
I think that second headbutt...
Now what is Mike Bird thinking here? Oh, big headbutt by Bullit.
Out of nowhere.
Oh, what?
What's Bullit thinking?
Oh!
Whatever it was,
body drop.
Reversed.
And again, Bird ascends.
I mean, if he hits this one, a third headbutt, that's it. But Bullit knows.
This is how the first match finished.
Oh God. Oh my God. This is just... The ring is just going to snap in half. Oh my God! Bird is dead. Surely he is. There's nothing left.
Wow.
Hooks the leg. Two and... Kick out.
Bird kicks out.
How?
Bird kicks out. Bullit with a choke slam from the top rope. And Bird kicks out.
Unbelievable. This is fantastic. What a match, Sam.
This is getting difficult to call. It's hard to describe at this point.
I can't believe Mike Bird kicked out of that. I'm absolutely speechless.
Bird is literally, I don't know, I'm with you, Claire, I don't know where he got that. He dug so deep from somewhere and just grasped a tiny bit of energy, a tiny bit of desire and pride.
I mean, a second ago, Sam, we were saying that Bullit was glazed over, like sitting right by us with nothing. And now he is signalling the end.
Could be going maybe for the powerbomb, could be going for another choke
He
slam.
could. Oh,
Bird,
look, here we
the
go.
ankle.
And we remember this. We remember this.
But he will not be saved by the bell this time. There is no time limits.
No, but I mean, Bullit can get to the rope. That's the only thing he can do, is he can get to the rope.
Bird looks to have this really, really cinched in.
I don't know, Bird. I don't even Bird may be semi-conscious at this point. All he is doing is he is clinging and twisting the ankle of the champion for dear life.
Okay, now surely there's no way Bullit gets through this.
There's way too much pressure on the ankle here.
Bullit is just screaming. You can hear his screams echo out.
His face, just pain on his face. It's everything.
He's too far away from those ropes, I think.
It's the ropes or bust.
Surely too far away.
I don't think he's escaping. I think his only route out of this is that rope break, like we were saying, Claire.
It's the centre of the ring. Centre of the ring.
Surely can't get there.
He's going to tap. He's going to tap. There's no way out of this. Surely. He's tapping. He's going to tap. This is it. Surely. Surely now.
Bird just not giving up. He knows if he lets go of that ankle, he may let go of his chances of winning the championship. Bullit is so close to the rope, but I'm not sure he's even aware of how close he is at this point.
If it doesn't come up the third time, that is it. This is going to be it.
Oh my goodness.
Bullit's with us.
There is still life in Bullit.
I cannot believe he's nearly at the ropes. Oh, that's unbelievable.
The reign continues. The most dominant championship reign in the history of the Resurgence survives.
Oh yeah, but how much damage has that done to that ankle, Sam?
Crowd erupt when he made it to the ropes.
Joe, as someone who's only recently returned from Resurgence, what do you think of these two? What do you think of Bullit especially?
I think they are both absolutely incredible. They epitomise everything that is great about wrestling Resurgence. Bullit is just awesome. His power, the strength, the agility, the willingness to never say die. It's unreal. I'm so honoured to be able to call such amazing competitors in the middle of this ring tonight.
Crowd trying to will Bullit on. Bird trying to drag Bullit up. And the clock keeps ticking. There is no time limit. We must have a winner. And you can see it's taking so much out of Bird just to move Bullit at this point. Almost dead weight.
Yeah, Bullit looks quite out of it here, I must say. What's Mike Bird got planned here?
Good God, I hope he's not thinking what I think he's thinking. I mean,
It's going to be nasty.
we joked that Bird might have to kill Bullit to finish this, but
He's not Sam.
he could be going for the pile driver.
Oh,
Not from there, surely.
thank God for that.
Bullit fights out. Collective gasp of relief there from the Resurgence audience.
Well, now Bullit is joining Mike Bird up there.
Bullet's back. Oh no, no.
No, he's not.
Max got him. Oh my goodness, no way.
I mean,
Oh my God!
Conrada! What on earth?
Claymore!
How on earth did Bullit fight out of this? How is he still fighting at all?
Choke slam!
That is
That's it. That's it. The championship reign continues. No!
Oh.
What?
Bird kicks out.
Unbelievable.
I say again, what?
Bullit at 110, 120 kg, maybe more. Man just performed a Hurricane Rana at this stage in the match.
I just can't imagine what they need, what anyone could throw at these two now. Like, what can they throw at each other that's going to actually win this? They'll be here all night.
This is epic. A championship match of epic proportions. We'll just let this one sit with you as Bird tries to make his way to the ring.
Bullit looks like he's stalking his prey now, though. He looks totally in control. I fear the end is nigh for Mike Bird.
Oh, so do I, Joe. Look, he can't even get to his feet here. Referee Charles is going to have to start intervening in a minute. He's taking a look to see if Mike's out.
Champion stands in front of his challenger and slaps him in the face.
Bird is clawing, he's trying everything to get up, but he may not want to.
Oh my goodness, no, no, no. What?
Body drop. Nearly sends Charles into the first row.
No, no,
Bird going for
no.
maybe his own chokeslam here.
What?
And he does, he delivers it first class!
Hey!
Gets the arm over, 2 and 3! No.
Still we go.
Goodness me, what an epic match.
I mean, I don't know, I have eyes on the clock, but this must be pushing 30 minutes by now. What incredible competitors. Regardless of whatever the outcome, if we ever get to one, is after this match, both competitors have been absolutely extraordinary.
I just don't know how Mike Bird is still standing, let alone
This is what the
doing
Arthouse Wrestling
anything.
Championship means. This is what the
incredible.
memory, for the memory of Mad Kurt. Both collapse.
I was saying just a second ago, right, Claire? I'm not going mad that it was Mike Bird, the end was nigh, and now it's Bullit down. I mean, it's all the way, it's been back and forth. They're so incredible.
I mean, Bullit almost shaking his head.
Oh, God, he lands on his head really badly. Oh, awful to see.
In a reverse of the power driver attempt that we just saw. Bullit headset.
Sit down pile driver, that is
That's
it.
done, it's done, it's done. Bullit retains.
No way! What? Unreal by Mike Bird. Somehow he has got that shoulder up again. Claire.
I mean, I've sort of slightly lost for words, to be honest with you. Like, I can't believe that they're still battling on. This is an utterly epic match. These two have put themselves through it tonight, and talking about going the distance.
I don't know if Bullit's talking to the audience, talking to Kurt, or just trying to draw that energy.
I think it might be Kurt.
Bullit.
With the crowd are on side now as well. They're chanting the name of Bullit.
This is what professional wrestling is about. This is what the sport of wrestling really is about.
There's such high emotion.
Who wants it? Two men, one championship. Who wants it?
Big fist there.
Who wants it more? Mike Bird or Bullit?
How is Mike Bird standing? down. Those legs just gave way of Mike Bird. Somehow, some way, he's clawing his way back up.
Come on, you got better than that. Come on.
No, no, no. Oh, God.
Bird screaming.
It somehow energized him. How has that energized Mike Bird? It's incredible.
Just, a lariat of sorts, but really just a club. Everything on the line. Arthouse Championship. Wrestling Resurgence.
Now both competitors must be on, what, their 5th or 6th wind?
Oh, he takes him off his feet. The champion is down.
And it's the first time in a while we've seen the champion down.
Bullit again, but he's back up just straight away. He's back up faster than Bird. That one takes him down.
Oh, I can't believe Bullit keeps getting to his feet. This is ridiculous.
We've had strike 3, and this is strike 4.
He's lariating Bullit into hell.
And now,
Oh, no way.
pile driver of his own, spiking Bullet's head into the ground.
No way.
One?
What?
One? Got to be kidding me.
Sell in, everyone, because we could be here forever. Literally forever. I can't ever see an end to this match.
I mean, I'm
I'm
not
just
a fan
gonna.
of the Fight Forever chant, but in this instance, let's just do it.
I
Fight
just
forever.
fight forever. I just can't ever see an end to this.
We are in excess of 30 minutes. I'm fairly sure of that.
Sorry, you are going to have to stay down.
Gonna have to stay. Oh, no, maybe not. Maybe it's you, Mike Bird, who's going to stay down for good with a choke slam by Bullit. Both legs hooked.
Bird kicks out again.
Another choke slam. Another kick out.
Bullit with the Bird with the choke. He's got a rear naked choke, and he's got it locked in.
Mike Bird in it, a huge repertoire of
He's
moves.
got this really locked in here, I think, guys.
His forearm is across the throat, and if that is the case, then it might be it. Bullit will try everything to not let that be the case.
Really cinched it now.
To try and protect his airway, because if Bird can cut off the airflow, then that could be his route to victory.
And Bullit is not getting to his feet.
Bullit is getting
what?
to his feet.
No. What?
Somehow Bullit, whilst being choked, made it to his feet.
Can he get in the air? He's going to have to get as much air as he can at this moment. Bird goes back. Incredibly smart wrestling.
And now he's got 200 pounds plus the choke.
That wrestling veteran brain of those repetitions, those matches over the years, all that knowledge stored in the body of Mike Bird, powering him forward, powering him hopefully towards victory. What he hopes will be victory. And
What on earth?
Bullit is ascending. And I think
This is a position that is not going to end well. This isn't going to be pretty.
Oh my goodness.
Avert your eyes right now.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, holy crap! Wow.
Bird's got it!
No
He's got
way.
the choke, I don't know how, but he's got it cinched in. And the surprise, I think the surprise Bullit didn't see it, he didn't know, he didn't see it coming.
He fought so hard to get out of that. I don't know if he has anything left now.
He's calling on the fans to give him one last drive, one last push.
He'll be running out of oxygen.
But Bird has that sunk in.
It's one.
That's one. Oh, he's got
Oh,
him.
he has got him.
He's got him. Bird's got him.
God, he tried. Bullit tried so hard, but he couldn't get that arm up.
Wow, Mike Bird finally gets the championship done.
What a match.
One for the ages. My goodness.
Fans are on their feet. Let's just let this sink in for you at home.
I am lost for words, Sam. That was unreal.
I think we let these pictures speak for themselves, Joe.
What a match.
Mike Bird, destiny fulfilled, finally wins a Resurgence champion. Mike Bird is your new Arthouse champion.
And this crowd give a standing ovation for both men. I mean, they put their bodies through hell tonight. And this crowd do sure appreciate it. They want it all. The crowd have been wild for both men tonight. And Claire, Mike Bird is the new Arthouse champion.
And you know, I am absolutely delighted for him. Bullet's been an amazing champion, but he could not have lost that championship to anyone better. Look at this lovely moment.
Two sportsmen, two absolute professionals, two beacons in this industry, two Goliaths of this industry, standard bearers of this industry, of this British professional independent wrestling. Absolute stalwarts. Motivation to anyone involved in this business or anyone thinking of getting involved in this business. Take a look at these two. Absolute warriors.
I think that was one of the most insane matches I've ever seen in the Resurgence ring. Like, incredible.
Bullet's reign, Bullet's legendary reign will go down in Resurgence history as one of the greatest. But we have a new champion. And that champion is Mike Bird. What a show. I think we'll thank you for watching. Thank you to everyone who attended. Go and check out us on YouTube. Go and check out Wrestling Resurgence on social media. We will leave you with the footage of these two incredible wrestlers. Thank you and good night.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything, honestly. This is one of the only places in the country, in the continent, where as soon as I walk through the door, the love that you guys give me is just unbelievable. Except you, and I don't know what I've done, but maybe one day I'll make it up to you. That championship doesn't just mean a lot to me, it means a lot to this company. It's seen some great champions, but the one who I won it from in his last ever wrestling match was the phenomenal Mad Kern. you got to see some of the most entertaining, funny, off-the-wall, out-of-nowhere, crazy matches. Under me, you got to see me do what I do best, and that is kick ass like the best super heavyweight in this continent. But today you have finally seen skill outdo power, because Mike Bird is one of the best wrestlers in the world. The last thing I'm going to say is this, because Mike knows this already. One thing that I am is loyal. Loyal to a fault sometimes, but I am loyal. And it was first come, first served when it came to helping me make it to where I am now. Joel Redman found me first, not Mike Bird. But if Mike Bird had found me first, this is the man who would have trained me to be the exact same big bad monster that I am today. I am blessed beyond belief that I get to learn from the best this country's ever produced. Doug Williams, James Mason, Eddie Ryan, Joel Redmond, earmuffs, and Mike fucking Bird!
You're not the one that's blessed, my boy. I'm sorry, I'm very beat up. You're not the one that's blessed. That's me. We're both stupid dads. All I ever wanted to do when I was a kid was one of two things. Play rugby for Wales or become a professional wrestler. My sister's the best rugby player in the family. I struggle to find who I am sometimes. I used to wake up and think of nothing but wrestling. But I've got a wife and daughter at home who absolutely adore me. I know you do the same. When I wake up in the morning, I don't think about wrestling, I think about them and how I can wrestle to be the best man I can for them. I promise you this, and I promise everybody in this room this. Everything I've got to give, everything that I've got left to give that I have not given to my wife and daughter, I will leave on this canvas for you. I love each and every single one of you. I love my family, and I fucking love professional wrestling. Thank you. Good night.